Hello, I'm Ken Arscott, your narrator. This training video is about how to resolve conflicts between two or more people. As you probably know, resolving conflicts can be difficult, especially for security officers. Conflicts arise when two or more people disagree over their values, their perception, their ideas, or their desires. In order to resolve conflict, you need to know the full story. That means you need to know who's involved, what happened, when did it happen, where did it happen, and why did it happen. As a security officer, your objective is to end conflicts peacefully without alienating the participants. Preventing a dispute or an argument from escalating into a physical confrontation is the goal of this training video. Never talk down to people involved in a conflict situation. For example,
"What the hell's going on?"
Saying something like that would make them feel right away that you disrespect them. It would be better to say something like,
"Let's all calm down."
Saying that will make them feel respected and more than likely pause the argument. I'm going to show you a short video that takes place in a shopping center parking lot. Two men are in cars facing each other, about 40 yards apart, stopped, waiting for a car to pull out of a parking spot. One car is driven by Joe, who has his directional signal on, indicating that he wants that spot. The other car is driven by Harry, waiting for the same parking spot and doesn't have his directional signal on. When the man pulls out, Harry quickly drives into the parking space. In the first part of this scenario, a security officer tries to resolve the conflict and loses control. In the second scenario, another security officer handles it correctly.
Hey man, you got me blocked in. How about moving stuff?
No way, you son of a bitch. I had my directional signal on, waiting for that spot, and you stole it. On top of that, you gave me the finger.
What the hell's going on here?
Look, officer, I was waiting for this guy to pull out of a spot.
Let's calm down. I heard there was an accident and two men were about to get in a fight. But first, is anybody hurt?
Now that security officer has gotten them both to take some responsibility, which is an indication that they are both willing to compromise. The officer can now suggest a solution to satisfy both men. I'm going to use this meter to demonstrate core values. When the needle is in the green, it's where people with little or no anxiety are, meaning everything is okay. When people become concerned, they start getting close to the yellow zone. In other words, they become cautious. Aggressive people are almost always against anything that stands in their way. There are all kinds of aggressive people. Some are openly aggressive, while others are able to hide it. Some of them will even be polite, some will be passive, some will be aggressive, and some, they'll just be plain rude.